I'm Rick Corey. If you'd like more information about the car you just clicked on at the end of the video, call my friends at Ferguson. Remember, no one beats a Ferguson deal.
Ferguson Superstore.
2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.